Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a sleek bun. It's perfect for those days when your hair looks like crap or you haven't washed it or it's oily and greasy, but you've still got somewhere to be and you want to look a little more put together. So for those days, you can always lean on a nice sleek bun. It goes with everything, Indian or Western, and it definitely elevates your entire look. So for those days, a sleek bun is for the rescue. So today I'm going to show you that, and without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So to make a sleek bun, you will require a few things. Number one, black rubber bands. दो चाहिए होंगे to make a nice sleek bun, and one normal comb which you use, then a tail comb which has a nice pointed tail, and this comb, I don't know what do you call this comb, but it is very good to actually give a nice sleek, do you see that? Like nice sleek and ekdam chipka hua look, you know. This is the magic wand for a sleek bun. So let's start with the process. First I will just comb my hair. To make a sleek bun is very easy and it's quick. If you've never done it, obviously it's going to be difficult. Do not expect that in one take you will be able to make a nice sleek look. But once you understand the process and if you continue to make a sleek bun, it will be like a 2-minute thing for you. So I have combed my hair nicely and now I will use this tail comb. And this is basically to give partition. I have already middle partition here. So whatever partition you want, if you want a side partition and then make a sleek bun, so you can make a side partition or middle partition, or if you want no partition, then you can actually just comb like that. But I want a center partition and I'm going to use this tail comb to make that. There. I need a mirror. 1 second. I am back, middle partition, just like that. So once you get a nice center partition like this, I'm going to use a serum. You can actually use anything. I have used aloe vera gel in the past, or you can use hair gel if you want to use that. You do get hair wax stick, you can use that as well, but I think a hair serum would be good enough for such a look because anyways your hair is oily and chipka hua अच्छे से. I don't think you will need more. I don't need more, but if you think that you require more wax or gel in your hair, then go ahead and put it. So today I'm using this serum. This is from L'Oreal. It's their extraordinary oil serum. So I'm going to take a few pumps like that and apply it on my hair. इससे होता क्या है ना कि अगर आपके फ्लाईअवेज है ना, छोटे छोटे जो बाल ऐसे उड़ते रहते हैं, वो अच्छे से इसी स्टेप में चिपक जाते हैं ना, आपको बाद में इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता बन बनाते टाइम. Now I've applied the serum and once that's done, I'm going to make a ponytail. मैंने पोनीटेल बना दिया बट मैंने पोनीटेल अभी तक टाई नहीं किया है. पोनीटेल टाई करने से पहले आई विल टेक द मैजिक कोम एंड आई विल जस्ट कोम इट लाइक दैट. दिस इज लाइक मैजिक. सी, if I have to pick one comb between this and the tail comb, I will pick this one because this is a better one. ये ज़्यादा अच्छा sleek look दे देती है. So here is my ponytail. अगर आपके बाल कुछ ज़्यादा कर्ली है ना, तो आप इस स्टेप पर भी वैक्स लगा सकते हैं because now this is the final chaptaness. Okay, now after this, to make a bun, I'll have to turn. Now here to make a bun, it's very simple. अभी ये जो ponytail है, इसको पकड़ के you're just going to swirl it like that 2-3 times and यहाँ से lift the ponytail, put your hand like that to make the bun flat and then just rotate. Keep rotating like this also and like that also. Okay, I'll repeat one more time. Hold the ponytail and swirl it like this As you do that, hold the ponytail like that. Put your hand flat here and swirl and keep rotating it into a juda. Okay. Now when you reach here, take the rubber band and tie the juda. Like that. I don't know how it's looking from behind, but this is how you make it. And whatever baby hair you have here, you can just pin it up like that. I don't have a pin and I don't mind my baby hair just coming out like that. But if you want to just make it super sleek and clean, then you just take the baby hair like that and pin it up. Ta-dak, here, okay? So that's how you make a sleek bun. And one last time, you can comb your hair like that so that if there's any unevenness, wo theek ho jaye. And that's it. So this is how you make a sleek bun in minutes. अभी ना थोड़े थोड़े ऐसे बेबी हेयर बाहर निकल रहे हैं एंड फॉर मी आई डोंट रियली माइंड इट, बट इफ़ यू आर रियली पर्टिकुलर अबाउट द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ हेयर स्ट्रैंड कमिंग आउट, देन आपको अपने पूरे बालों में जेल लगाना पड़ेगा, तभी वो सारे बाल एक दूसरे से चिपकेंगे. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो वेट योर हेयर to do that, but I like this look. I like this much only. No water, गीला करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's super simple and easy and it definitely looks nice. Like I love it. And लगता है कि थोड़ा effort लगाया है, but actually में इतना effort नहीं लगाया है. Once you get a hang of handling your hair and doing all these steps, it'll be super easy and quick for you. And quick fixes are my thing. I can't be spending 20 minutes, 30 minutes on hair or makeup. I can't do that. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Come join the gang and be a part of my life, my world, where we share skincare, makeup, home decor, home things, organization, travel and life in general. Let's do life together and come be a part of my channel. Comments करके ज़रूर बताना आपको मेरा ये sleek bun का पूरा process and how I do it and make it वो कैसा लगा, कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना. And I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, have a good one with whatever you're doing. Bye. टन टना टन 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 टारा टन टना टन 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 टारा चलती है क्या 9 से 12 चलती है क्या.